Welcome. In front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I will show you how we can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So to get started, simply hold the power key, select power off, and once the tablet turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. Now after a moment, you should see the TCL logo show up on the screen. When that happens, hold the two keys for a couple more seconds and then let go. This will boot us into recovery mode, so in here you'll need to use volume keys to navigate up and down. And obviously you want to select wipe cache partition and then confirm it with power key. Select yes. Again, confirm that. At the bottom you can see wiping cache, and then you have last thing cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key once again and this will initiate a reboot and take you back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.